Hello everyone. I will share my own experience with you guys. So last week I had a meeting with the clients. So it's about five people in that meeting. So I needs to explain my product. So how it will and also I needs to prepare the answers for the questions what they are all asking. So my mind was struggling with that things. So the meeting will start within 10 minutes. So I just like to had a copy. So I just went to cafeteria and a coffee machine. So I just had a copy. I pressed the decoction things, and also I'm pressing the hot water. The water will not come. So my brain was stuck with that. So I felt very, I just pressing the things. So I can't control my emotion. So angry with that coffee machine. So okay, so I left that coffee mug and went to that meeting. But my brain was still stuck in that cafeteria only. So I can't answer and I can't explain my preparation to the in that meeting. So I just cancelled that thing. So I just observed that how why that hot water was not came. So after that I observed there is a small minute one red indication. So if we pull that, the hot water will come. So I just observed why it was kept like that, because and studied more about that thing. So the hot water will harmful to the people. So if we are in careless means it will hurt our hand or something. So that's why they kept that small indication for that hot water. So how beautiful of that machine, how that works in that, because I was not in that place. So what any other works you are doing, just keep it that work. And if you come to this cafeteria or cafe machine, you just want to concentrate in this particular machine. Yeah, that's the only goal. They kept that small switching indicator. How beautiful. That's the obtrusive design. Okay. uh, you guys just observe the product. So how the product will gives you that attention. If you are doing any other some work, take the example of a TV remote, the red light, or else it's a Bluetooth speaker. So if the audio was battery was low means it will indicate. So you need to charge. So suddenly our brain wants to connect the plug and charge the speaker. So